to learn how to reset your machine needle on the needle stand, just in case the needle finds it hard to pick thread from the looper. So let's say your sewing machine is not picking or it's keeping thread while you try to stitch. There are two possible causes, either three actually, but we're going to be talking about one right now. The first one should be either the needle is too high or too low relative to the level where it's supposed to be, and resetting your needle is taking it to that point where it is supposed to be, and this is how we do it. Take out your bobbin key. Note that this is the needle bar. Tracing the needle bar upward, you would find there's a screw that bores into a bowl that is holding the needle bar. What you simply do is, when you find that screw is different from different machines, loosen it. By loosening it, you would have slackened the needle bar so that it is now free, even though the hand wheel is moving. After you've done that, rotate the hand wheel. You rotate the hand wheel until this same screw and its bowl gets to the bottom dead center of its motion. It moves up and down, take it to the bottom dead center, the point where it is completely dead and there's no motion, even though the hand wheel might be moving. You now raise this up, slip a finger, preferably your index finger, through the pot to underneath the fork of the looper. Drop the needle until it touches your finger. You will have a slight pain, but make sure you don't hurt yourself. Now you want to tie back that screw so that it will stop the needle bar from moving. But right now there is an interruption. That's the tension for the tension bar. So we're going to lose this out. Okay, now the screw is clear. After you feel that slight pain, you can then tighten this up. It's no longer moving. After returning this, you want to also ensure that the tension adjust is active or very active. Return bobbin key. Well, on one go the thread is up. I mean, it's promising that it might work. from what we can see, there are no skips at all.